Good morning, all student. Look here, the most important part, the acidic character of alcohol and phenol. Acidic character of alcohol and phenol. Look here, simple. The first questions explain why phenol is more acidic than ethyl alcohol. Simple questions explain why phenol is more acidic than ethyl alcohol. Look here, a difference in acidic character of phenol and alcohol due to difference in reactivity of these compounds towards ionization of OH group, okay, can be explained as follow. Look here, actually a acidic character of alcohol and phenol or depends upon the ionization of OH bond or towards the ionization of OH bond. Look here, a first point. Ionization, everybody, a ionization of alcohol is represented by following equilibrium. Look here, when alcohol react with water, means ROH is a react with H2O. What is this? This is the equilibrium to formation of RO minus plus H. Look here, H3O, H3O plus. What is this? This is the alkoxide ion, conjugate base of alcohol. Conjugate base of alcohol. What is this? Conjugate base of alcohol. Look here, simple. Electron donating inductive effect. Simple. Electron donating inductive effect of alkyl group. Destabilization of alkoxide ion. Actually, a alkoxide ion a conjugate base of alcohol. As the result, alcohol does not ionize much water and behaves like neutral compound in aqueous medium. In aqueous medium. Look here, this is alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion is a conjugate base of alcohol. Look here, a positive inductive effect means electron donating inductive effect group, alkyl group destabilizes the alkoxide ion. Actually, look here, a alcohol does not ionize much in water because alcohol is neutral compound in aqueous medium. Correct? Okay. Look here, next point, a second ionization of phenol. Ionization of phenol is represented by the following equilibrium. Simple. Look here, reaction. When phenol ionization in water, it gives phenoxide ion. Look here, a phenoxide ion is a conjugate base of phenol. Phenoxide ion is a conjugate base of phenol. Correct? Okay. Look here, a phenoxide ion are resonance. How many structure? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look here, resonance is stabilized by delocalization of negative charge. Negative charge, negative charge, negative charge, negative charge, next negative charge, next negative charge and last negative charge. Okay, look here, first structure, a negative charge are convert, double bond and double bond are convert a negative charge. Next negative charge convert double bond convert into negative charge. Okay, like this, simple. Look here, a simple like this. Next negative charge convert double bond convert negative charge. Next negative charge convert a double bond and double bond convert a negative charge like this. Correct? Yes. What is this? This is a resonance structure of phenoxide ion. delocalization of negative charge. Therefore, phenol ionizes in aqueous medium a moderate extent, thereby shows a weak acidic in character. Actually note, look here, a reactivity of alcohol and phenol towards ionization of AOH bond. This is different because aqueous medium phenol show a weak, look here, weak acidic in nature, and alcohol, everybody, alcohol is weak neutral in nature. Correct? Yes. Simple question, explain why phenol is more acidic than ethyl alcohol. This question, okay, in textbook exercise will be IMP question, will be asking in board examination. Correct? Yes. Look here, a next questions. Correct? Yes. Look here, next questions, a 54 questions. Look here, 54 questions like this. Arrange the following compound in decreasing order of acidic strength. Justify. Look here, simple. The negative inductive effect increase the acidity and positive inductive effect decrease the acidity of any compounds. Look here, a third compound. Everybody. A third compound. You know third, a phenol, and fourth is para-nitrophenol. Okay, are more acidic than alcohol, first and second. Acidic strength of compound depend upon a stabilization of corresponding compounds. Look here, what is this? This is our conjugate base of a phenol, correct? Look here, electronic, everybody, a electronic effect in the conjugate bases, these compounds are compared to follow. What is this? This is the conjugate base of alcohol. What is this? Also conjugate base of a alcohol. What is this? A primary alcohol. What is this? A tertiary alcohol. Alkyl group which is more in tertiary alcohol. Alkyl group are less in primary alcohol. In this example, look here, actually conjugate base first and second. Look here, first stabilized by a positive inductive effect. Why? This is the only one alkyl group. Whereas a conjugation of second structure stabilized by, stabilized by how many alkyl group here? There are 3 alkyl group. Therefore, second means tertiary alcohol means everybody conjugate base a weaker acidic than primary. Correct? Yes. Look here, a first structure phenol, second structure, third structure, fourth structure, fifth structure, sixth structure. There are how many structure here? There are 6 structure of phenoxide ion, para-nitrophenoxide ion here. Para-nitrophenoxide ion. In case of alcohol, there are how many structure? There are 1 structure. In case of para-nitrophenoxide ion, there are 6 structure. Look here, this structure, a conjugate base, para-nitrophenol, better resonance due to 6 resonance structure compared to a structure of, look here, compared to the conjugate structure of the phenol. Simple, a conjugate base para-nitrophenol, how many structure there? 6 structure. How many? A 6 structure. And in case of phenol, how many structure? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 5 structure, and the phenoxide ion, nitrophenoxide ion, para-nitro, there are how many structure? There are 6 structure. Which is a more stable, which is more acidic? Para-nitrophenol. Look here, the decreasing order. Fourth greater than third, greater than first, greater than second. This is the most important questions. Okay. Simple everybody. A negative inductive effect means electron donating effect, which is, look here, which is the atom or group? The negative, electronegative atom here. Electronegative atom. Correct? Yes. Look here, next question. Simple question. What are the electronic effect exerted by OCS3 and Cl? Predict the structure strength. Look here, in this structure, everybody, here in this structure, what is this electron withdrawing effect? Means electronegative atom, chlorine atom. The both the structure, look here, a simple structure 1 and 2, first compared here. Actually, you know, look here, chlorine atom and OCS3 exit negative inductive effect. OCS3 minus, benzene ring. First, second and third structure. Look here, a Cl minus is a structure is not strong overcome a minus ion effect. Means, look here, para-chlorophenol is more acidic. Para-chlorophenol is more acidic than phenol. Why? Why? Simple. Look here, a electron withdrawing effect. Electron withdrawing effect. Correct? Look here, plus R effect of Cl in structure first is not that strong to overcome a negative inductive effect. Hence, para-chlorophenol is more acidic than a phenol. Look here next. Second point, OCS3 group structure, para position, everybody like this. Positive R effect. Hence, para-methoxyphenol is less acidic than phenol. Why? Positive I effect. Positive inductive effect, a acidity decreases. Positive I effect, acidity decreases, and negative inductive effect, acidity increases. Correct? Look here, increasing order like this. First, everybody, first greater than second, greater than third. करेक्ट. आपणाला हे सहजासहजी येण्याजोगं आहे. मी तुम्हाला असे वेगवेगळे क्वेश्चन्स, आपल्याला बोर्डवर तुम्हाला एवढं समजणार नाही म्हणून मी डायरेक्टली हे स्ट्रक्चर तुमच्या समोर असे ठेवलेले आहेत. लुक हियर, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट हियर, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर देअर ॲसिड स्ट्रेंथ. लुक हियर, हाऊ मेनी, एव्हरीबडी, हाऊ मेनी nitro group? 3 nitro group here. How many nitro group? 2 nitro group here. How many nitro group? 1 nitro group here. Look here, simple concept. Everybody, electron withdrawing group increases, also increase the acidity. How many, look here, how many in this structure, how many electron withdrawing group? 3. How many here? 2. How many first? Means order, everybody look here, acidic order. Okay, like this. But look here, next structure in case of phenol. Okay, but methyl is a positive I effect. Propane 1-OL, positive I effect. Look here, order, simple order like this. Okay, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol greater than 3,5-dinitrophenol greater than 3-nitrophenol greater than phenol greater than 4-methylphenol last greater than propane 1-OL. Correct? Yes. Look here. A next question here. Which of the following two expected to be more acidic? 2-nitroethanol and phenol. 2-nitroethanol and phenol. Simple answer here. Look here, simple answer. Phenol is expected to more acidic than negative charge of phenoxide sign. Okay, like this. In 2-nitroethanol, the negative charge displaced only by the inductive effect of NO2 group. Correct? Means, which is 2 expected more acidic? Phenol is more acidic than 2-nitroethanol. 2-nitroethanol, correct? 2-nitroethanol. Simple answer. Okay. Look here. A last questions. Which is stronger acid in each following pairs? Why? Look here, 1 minute. First 3 chlorophenol and 2 ethyl phenol. Look here, 3 chlorophenol. What is this? 3 chlorophenol stronger acid than 2 ethyl phenol because conjugate base of 3 chlorophenol is stabilized by negative inductive effect. Look here, while conjugate base of 2 ethyl phenol is destabilized by positive I effect. Look here, a 3 chlorophenol is more acidic than 3 chlorophenol more acidic than 2 ethyl phenol. Ethyl group is a positive inductive effect. Chlorine is a negative inductive effect. Look here, next here, 2 nitrophenol and 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Look here, all of you, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol stronger acid because how many nitro group here? 3 nitro group. Okay, 3 NO2 group. What is this? 3 half. How many? 3 NO2 group here. In case of everybody, 2 nitrophenol, there are 1 nitro group. Okay, 2 is the everybody. Look here, 2 is the position of nitro compounds. Look here, the conjugate base of 2 nitrophenol stabilizes by negative inductive effect 1 nitro group, whereas conjugate base 2,4,6 trinitrophenol stabilized by minus I effect of 3 nitro group. Correct? Which is more acidic? Look here, simple. Which is more acidic? Like this. Which is more acidic? Like this. Okay? Depending upon destabilization of resonance structure or negative inductive effect. Negative inductive effect increase the acidity and positive inductive effect decrease the acidity. Okay? Thank you, all of you.